welcome to another video. Go on. We got another POV today. This time there will be talking. My last video, I just want to see how you guys enjoy it with obviously the sound of the exhaust. I can't hear myself with this exhaust, I'm not gonna lie. The baffle is out, it fell out, so yeah. I allegedly took it out. Yo, these buses around Devon are going like eco mode. What's that about? I know London's gone like electric, but let's not go electric around here. That's 𝙎𝙊𝘾𝙄𝘆 Tempest, isn't it? Sounds fucking gorgeous. He's tall, fuck me. I need a haircut, man. Like, my hair's just all over the place, and I've got a balaclava on yet, but because my hair's just like, I've not had a haircut in so long yet, it just comes under my 𝙎𝙐𝘽𝙎𝘆. I don't know why I've just called it a 𝙎𝙐𝘆. I'm not American. It's a balaclava. I'm watching too many American videos. I need to stop. Right, well, it doesn't look like the exhaust is an issue without the baffle, because I passed the police yesterday, the day before, and I've passed the police today on a roundabout, and I was downshifting as well, so the bike sounded even louder, and yeah, he just carried on, and he weren't even like over the roundabout either, so if it was an issue, he'd have turned around. Now, there's a new speed camera in Totnes. I don't know where it is, because I don't go Totnes very often, if at all. Last time I went to Totnes was 2 years ago now. So, yeah, I don't know where the camera is. So I'll just be good, stick to the speed limit. I love this road. Is that a C63S? Alright, I know where I'm at now. You can go up there, I'm gonna go up there. I don't know what the fuck is up there. Oh. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Oh, fucking what's up? I fucking hate hill starts, and this is quite a big hill. I've never actually been up this way. I don't even know what the fuck is around here. I've never seen anything around this side. I never even knew this bit was here. don't know what this guy's doing, other than pissing me off.
Right, we're going to chat GBT. What are some nice scenic spots in Totnes where you can drive and get a photo? Easy drive to viewpoints where you can pull up, walk a minute or two and get a great photo. Well, I don't want to walk, it's the whole point of having a bike. Totnes Castle, right above the town. I think I've just passed that. 𝙎𝙊𝘾𝙄𝘎𝑃rington Road. Totnes Bridge. I've passed that, but it's a bit busy to really stop anywhere. Plus I'd have to go on the pavement as well, so I don't know about that one. I'm gonna ask where it's at. Alright, I've got the location. I've got the postcode. Right, we're gonna go there.
Ooh, close to the curb. Fuck me, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Out, and then I'm going to put my jacket on. I've never actually been this way. This area is like new to me, yeah? I'm unlocking the map finally. I don't know if I'm actually allowed to drive down here. Oh, I must be allowed. Oh, it's down there. Oh, look at the cows. I was about to call them something else then. Oh, that looks fucking gorgeous. I hope I'm allowed down here. Honest mistake if I'm not allowed, but like, that's a fucking nice view though. I'm just going to keep going. My map's just telling me to keep going. I'm definitely not allowed down there. I've only just seen that. Oh my god, I almost fucking... I don't even know. My only goal
is to get some sick ass photos with that side view. So let's do that. I'm gonna keep my helmet on and we're just gonna see. My maps has taken me down here and it showed that road down there, but that one's saying no to like going down. I don't know like who owns that. I don't know where I go to ask if I can go down there, but I'm not trying to cause no issues or be a problem for anyone. So yeah, I will just call it quits and make my way back.